Very simple example as I gave you. Suppose if you are standing on a sand floor and you have got certain weight, certain force. So, your feet has got certain area. So, you will see some depression in the sand floor. So, as you have seen, if you stand on the sand floor, you will see there is a depression in the sand floor because more pressure is acting. But if you simply lie down on the sand floor, you will find there is less depression because area of the body more as compared to the area of the feet. So, the pressure will be less. Simply another example is here, iron nail. See here, iron nail, its shape is something like that, and this is the tip. Tip is always made here sharp point which has got very small area of cross section. Why? When you apply force from here, the same force is acting over here. Due to a small area of the cross section of the tip, it experiences greater pressure and easily it goes into the wooden surface. That is why tip is made here very sharp. Similarly, you can see strap of the bags. Strap of the bags are made wider so that when you hang, you will find due to larger surface area, larger area, pressure will reduce. So, these are the certain examples of the pressure. So, for getting the larger pressure, area should be small. For getting the less pressure, area should be large. So, about after thrust and pressure, we can come also the next part, that is known as actually pressure exerted by liquids. Liquids we can say, or simply we can say fluids. So, under the category of the fluids here, see, fluids we can take in the two ways. We can take liquids or gases. Both are placed under the fluids part. So, as I have told, if you have got your weight, man has got weight. So, the man exerts pressure on the surface. Similarly, liquids has weight. If you are taking liquid in a container like this container has got liquid. So, liquid has got its own weight. So, the liquid exert thrust here, this side, this side, this side, and this thrust per unit area is known as pressure. So, the liquid exerts pressure on the walls of the container wherever it is kept. So, this force per unit area exerted by the liquid is referred as pressure exerted by liquid. Similarly, pressure exerted by gases. As we are standing here, suppose above us there is atmosphere which has got many gases, water vapors and all that things. Everything is exerting pressure on us. That is known as atmospheric pressure. So, the pressure exerted by basically earth is we refer here, that is called atmospheric pressure. So, atmospheric pressure is around atmospheric pressure is equal to 1.1 we can take here into 10 raised to power 5 Newton per meter square, round figure. So, this is the pressure exerted by atmosphere. So, we can't say if we are standing here, we are not experiencing pressure. We are experiencing pressure from the atmospheric gases, that is known as pressure exerted by gases here.